Thank you, Premier Wall, for your outstanding leadership, your outstanding vision, and your outstanding commitment to advancing food security. The University of Saskatchewan has one of the world's largest hubs of food system-related researchers, with more than 160 basic and applied scientists. With a research focus on sustainable, high-yield production and quality, research teams at our university continue to push the boundaries of innovation, working in a cluster of top-rate, world-class facilities and organizations. With more on the university's strengths as a partner and home to the Global Institute for Food Security, please welcome to the podium the President of the University of Saskatchewan, Dr. Ilene Busch-Vishniac.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the university. It may be cold outside, but it is nice and warm in here. Over the past century, the University of Saskatchewan has worked with our partners in government, industry, and communities to help build a province and feed a growing nation. Now, throughout this unique public-private partnership, we come together to feed a growing world. From its founding, the university's research and training programs have been closely linked to areas of importance to the provincial economy. And as you just heard from the Premier, agriculture has long been given a special place within the university in recognition of its huge importance to Canada and now the world. In the intervening century, the university and the Saskatchewan government have worked well together, our futures inextricably linked. Today we celebrate an innovative and collaborative initiative that speaks to the themes upon which this university was founded. We officially launched the Global Institute for Food Security with 3 committed partners who share a bold vision. The World Food Summit of 1996 defined food security as existing, and I quote, "when all people at all times have access to sufficient, safe, nutritious food to maintain a healthy and active life." Food security is clearly an enormous global challenge and much too big a problem for any single university, government, or corporation to tackle on its own. And unlike some existing food security institutes that focus on a piece of the problem, we are determined to find solutions across the entire food system, from field to fork. What will distinguish the new U of S Global Institute for Food Security is a system-wide approach to improving food security. This will mean developing not just new and urgently needed science and technologies to improve crop production, but also new policies to ensure that food gets to those who need it efficiently and without waste. In today's complex food supply system, farmers' decisions about what to grow are not made in isolation. Decisions are profoundly affected by policy issues such as trade regulations, distribution systems, and how food is marketed. And so I wish to offer my profound thanks to our generous and committed partners, Potash Corp and the province of Saskatchewan. Without their support, an institute on this scale, with such potential to make a difference both here and around the world, would simply not be possible. Premier Wall and Mr. Doyle, we are grateful for your confidence in us as a leading Canadian research university to help deliver new research and policy solutions across the food supply system. We have long been at the forefront of Canada's research efforts to become a global innovator in solving food security challenges. Now, through the generous funding commitments announced today, We have an unparalleled opportunity to lead new scientific and policy thinking that could have a transformational impact across the food system for the benefit of people here and around the world. With our growing strength in technology commercialization and strong relationships with food-related industries, we will ensure that our discoveries and new approaches get into the hands of producers, policymakers, and other end users so that there is real change in the world's ability to sustainably grow more food. We will build on our expertise in many colleges, schools, and research centers across the campus, particularly in areas of crop development, animal health, and natural resource management. We will also build on emerging strengths such as agricultural trade and innovation policy, human nutrition and bioprocessing and usage. We will bring to bear our expertise on social, economic, and food policy issues. This system-wide and multidisciplinary approach will create unique research opportunities for cutting-edge discovery that will attract top faculty and students to this province. We have proven our ability to build successful partnerships, both locally and globally, engaging partners at other universities and in industry, government, and communities. Such collaborations will be critical for the rapid breakthroughs needed to solve daunting food security challenges. In this way, we will leverage our partnership into a larger consortium focused on the global food security challenge. Do not underestimate how determined we are to succeed in our mission. We see this as more than just another research institute. To improve global food security and the quality of life in the world is a noble calling, a chance to do what we do best as a university. And the fact that we will embark on this path with public and private partners makes this noble goal even more realistically achievable. Thank you, Potash Corp, for your long-standing engagement with the University of Saskatchewan and your far-sighted commitment to support potentially groundbreaking work on global food security. And thank you, Saskatchewan and Premier Wall, for building upon the partnership founded more than a century ago, and for helping us to focus attention on critical issues that affect millions of people beyond this province. Truly, this collaborative institute will help put Saskatchewan on the global map for food security, research, and innovation. Thank you.